Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be celebrating the Chinese New Year by creating firework prints. Um, so today the materials we need are paper, a cardboard tube, paint, and scissors. So I'm going to take my cardboard tube and I'm going to cut slits into the bottom of the cardboard tube. And you want to do it all the way around. So they're about the same distance from the bottom. So I'm just going to go all the way around my cardboard tube. And you want them fairly small. And we're going to go all the way around. Just like this. Okay. If you have an older child that's good with scissors, you can get them to help with this. But this is something you might want to do beforehand. Okay, so I've gone all the way around my cardboard tube, making little slits. So I'm going to fold those out like so. So really, this art activity is basically about making a print with an interesting paintbrush that you've created out of a cardboard tube. So I've got my interesting paintbrush and I've gathered a few different types of paper. I have just regular white paper. I have some red construction paper because we know red is a color that is used in celebration of Chinese New Year. And I have black. So I'm going to try it on a few different types of paper and see how that affects the picture. So I've got my paints put out on plates. I would use paper plates if you have them because that just makes cleanup so much easier. So I'm going to take my cardboard tube and I'm going to dip it into my paint like so. Try and get all the, and you can again mixing colors is fun. So I'm just going to put that on my paper and dab it around. Have your child hop it around the page. Get some more. Get some nice bright yellow here. Maybe a little bit of red. And you let them explore with it. They may find twisting it as fun, get a different effect entirely if you twist. So here's my fireworks on black paper. And you can talk about, the use of fireworks in the Chinese New Year celebration. I'm going to try it on red. So again, just dabbing in the paint, putting it on the paper. Ooh, it's really fun. And let the kids just explore with it. Again, it's always about the process, not the product. It's quite interesting. It really does give a fireworks effect. So there it is on red. We'll try it just on plain old white paper. Again, you can try twisting it and you get something sort of more like a flower. So let them just explore and enjoy. This process. Really fun. I think they'll really enjoy this. You can pop it all over the paper. And there you have it. Fireworks to celebrate the Chinese New Year. So give that one a try. Hope you have fun. We'll see you next time.